Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can switch to a personal account from a professional one on Instagram. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your Insta account. After that, tap on your profile icon. Now, select the hamburger menu. After that, tap on the settings. And now, select the account option. Scroll until you see the switch account type option and then tap on it. Now, tap on the switch to personal account. Again, confirm your action by tapping on the switch to personal account. And that's it. You've just switched to personal account again on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.